Attention. Attention players, especially PUMSE players. Those who will join the PUMSE competition, please proceed to the badminton court area. Sa may left side ko dito for registration. Again, all PUMSE and those who would like to join the PUMSE, meron pa tayong last 30 minutes to register. So calling all PUMSE participants, proceed to court. Register now. We have categories novice and advanced. Again, please register. Sorry, white belt. Na gusto mag-join, please register. Then we have novice division, yellow belt, blue belt, advanced division, red belt, brown belt, and black belt division. We have also pair and team standard categories. So you have 30 minutes to register and we shall start the PUMSE. Hopefully,